In today's video, we'll be exploring the best paint sprayers on the market, perfect for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Whether you're tackling home projects or large-scale jobs, we've got you covered with top-rated options that deliver efficiency, precision, and smooth finishes. Let's dive in. The Magnum X5 is one of Graco's top airless paint sprayers, and it's a solid pick for DIYers and remodelers. It's lightweight, easy to use, and powerful enough to handle projects up to 10 gallons in size. The fully adjustable pressure control lets you spray unthinned paints or stains with precision. A flexible suction tube means you can spray directly from a 1 or 5 gallon bucket, so there's less hassle with refilling. The X5 supports up to 75 feet of hose, making it ideal for reaching second stories or large outdoor projects. It includes an SG2 metal spray gun, a 25-foot Duraflex hose, and a RAC 4515 switch tip for smooth, even application. Cleanup is quick with the power flush adapter, which connects to a garden hose. If you need a reliable, high-performance sprayer for decks, fences, siding, or interiors, the Magnum X5 delivers. The Wagner SprayTech Control Pro 130 is a standout airless paint sprayer that delivers exceptional value. This model features high-efficiency airless (HEA) technology, which reduces overspray by up to 55%. Making it ideal for large projects like home exteriors and decks. Powered by a 1.5-gallon hopper, it can handle a variety of unthinned paints and stains, delivering a consistent finish with less mess. The included 12-inch extension wand makes it easy to reach tall walls or ceilings, while the two spray tips, one for latex paints and one for stains, provide flexibility for different application. The 25-foot hose and T2 spray gun with an integrated swivel allow for continuous painting, reducing interruption. If you're looking for an efficient, reliable sprayer that's perfect for DIYers tackling big jobs, the Control Pro 130 delivers speed, control, and convenience without breaking the bank. The Graco Finish Pro HVLP 9.0 Pro Contractor Series is a standout option for those looking to take their fine finish work to the next level. With its Turbo Force technology, this sprayer delivers high air pressure and flow, allowing you to achieve a flawless finish with minimal thinning. It's equipped with a smart start system that automatically shuts off the turbine when not in use, saving energy and extending its life. The Edge 2 Plus gun provides precise control over material volume, airflow, and spray fan size, making it perfect for a wide range of projects. Plus, the Flex Liner system allows you to spray at any angle without hassle. With its 30-foot Superflex air hose and a robust stainless steel build, this sprayer is made to last. Priced at $1,957, it's ideal for contractors who demand both power and precision on every job. The Titan Impact 640 is a heavy-duty airless paint sprayer designed for both residential and small commercial projects. This model is packed with advanced features, including the DigiTrack digital feedback system, which provides real-time performance tracking for precise control. Its 3,300 psi pressure allows it to handle a wide range of painting tasks efficiently, making it perfect for both small and medium-sized jobs. Weighing in at 78.5 pounds, this sprayer combines durability with mobility thanks to the high rider chassis and large 10-inch semi-pneumatic tires. Whether you're painting a fence or working on a larger exterior, the Impact 640 can manage up to 150 gallons a week with ease. Plus, the auto oiler and SureFlow pusher valve systems ensure smooth operation and minimize downtime, giving you the tools you need to finish the job without interruption. If you're a pro looking for reliable performance, the Titan Impact 640 has you covered.